Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this super awesome Amazon Basics down coat. It's super nice. As you can see, I live in a place that snows. And this is a really lightweight coat. It's not super warm, I wouldn't say that. But I can use it outside, maybe 40-degree weather. And it's so nice because it's packable. It packs down really nicely into a ball. It has the wrists here that kind of cinch in. It has a nice hood, as you can see. I also like that it's super long. It has a couple pockets in it. It also has a pocket on the inside, which is great. And it's nice and long and zips up really nicely as well. It has a double zipper, so you can open it up at the bottom if you need to, or the top, whichever way you'd like. So I think this is a great coat. It's definitely a nice staple to have in your closet for those weird weather days where you might not need a super heavy coat, but you still need something to keep you warm. So definitely recommend it. It's super cute and super fun, and that is my point of view.